welcome here. I'm Pragya, and in today's video I'll be giving you the tips to grow as a beginner on YouTube and grow your channel fast in 2020. All the tips are going to be super helpful and amazing, so make sure to stick around till the end because you never know what kind of points can help you out. Before giving you tips, I'll share with you my analytics of last 90 days and then you can decide whether I'm the right person to talk about the tips or not. So in last 90 days on this channel I have got almost 3 million minutes of watch time, over 1 million views on my channel, and also 22,000 plus subscriber over here. And still, if you think that I am the right person to talk about it, make sure to stick around and let's get started with the points. The first point is to do not rush to put up first content on YouTube. Just by adding some name, just by adding a profile picture, that doesn't mean that you are ready to put up a new content or the first video on YouTube channel. Your channel should be completely monetized, otherwise your video will not be seen by any other people except your friends and family. So if you want your channel to reach out to other people and your videos to reach out to other people, make sure your channel is completely monetized, then only share your first video. And also the first video should be about the introduction or about your channel, what you are going to produce, what people should expect. Otherwise it just gives the random idea to the people that you are just any other person who is trying to not grow but doing it for fun and sharing some good moments or something, vlogs kind of thing. They might see your video but they cannot be your potential client or customer or viewer. So if you want the real people, unknown people who can connect with you, make sure that your channel is completely monetized. Point number 2 is niching your channel down. But by niching your channel down, I don't mean that you have to create content only on the particular topic. You can divide your channel in 3 categories and tell people that what kind of content they can expect from you, so you can actually attract 3 different kind of people. In the starting, I don't recommend you to niche it down to particular very specific thing. Otherwise you might end up getting ideas in particular niche and then you will get exhausted or burn out. So make sure that you are in the starting actually making 3 categories. Next point is creating original content. It's good to get inspiration from other channels and other videos, but creating original content can really help you out in getting more views. I'll just give you an example. If somebody has watched a very high popular video in particular topic and accidentally if they comes to your video and channel, they might see so many similarities and may leave a hate comment or a critic comment, or they may also unsubscribe your channel if they had already subscribed to you. So make sure that you're coming up with the original ideas, because original ideas are really great not only to connect with people, and always the fresh ideas rank more on YouTube because YouTube is always looking for the fresh ideas and content out there. So if you are really creative person and if you are here to create, please create original content. Also, extra tip I would like to give over here is to do not copy to be somebody else, because if you want to make a real connection, just be yourself in front of camera and people will fall in love with your own personality and the way you talk. So instead of copying other people's content and the way they speak, the way they just edit their videos, make sure that you're coming up with your own creativity. Next point is creating high quality video. By high quality video, I don't mean that you have to make videos in 4K or like with the external mic or it doesn't have to be very cinematic or very highly edited, but at least it should be edited. Your videos at least should be edited in a way that they are watchable, they are actually hearable, actually engaging, but because at the end retention means a lot on YouTube. If you are getting a lot of retention, people are watching for more time, that means your watch time is increasing. The more watch time increases, the more chances of your channel is to go up on the ranking and also your videos to go up on the ranking, and this way you will get more reach, more attention from people and from YouTube, and this will also help you in getting monetization if you have already not monetized on YouTube. Next point is being consistent. It's really important, and you might have heard this point, be consistent, from every creator out there, not only on YouTube but also on Instagram and every other platform as well. Being consistent doesn't mean that you have to post high quality video every single day. Being consistent, I mean you actually have to put at least 1 to 2 videos in the starting, and in the beginning I would highly recommend you to post 2 videos every single week, and they should be in a very high quality. because if you have just started out, that means your channel is not monetized, and to get monetized you need a watch time, which is a 4,000 minutes of watch time. And to get that, you have to make sure that you are putting up a lot of content, but not more than 2, because your audience mostly is your friends and family, and you do not want to overserve them. Next thing is video distribution. Video distribution is equally important as video creation, because if your content is up there but nobody is taking any part on that, if nobody is watching, if nobody is taking interest in that, if nobody is sharing, there is no value of making a video. If you want your video to be ranking, if you want your video to be watched, you have to distribute it on social media and to the people, those who are already your potential viewers or friends or subscribers who may enjoy it. Because the initial 24 hours decide if your video is going to rank or not. If you get a lot of views within 24 hours to 48 hours, then your video goes up by, like, YouTube pushes your videos up, and that is why I highly recommend you to share and reshare your videos to your friends and family. Like social media, on Instagram stories, I cannot tell you how much traffic I generate from Instagram. Next point is making some kind of strategies around your channel. So make sure to break down your whole year into at least 3 to 4 parts, like how your videos are going to be, what kind of videos you are going to be producing, like for the whole year, what is your strategies, what are the plans for your channel, and how many videos you are going to produce, what kind of videos are going to come up in particular categories, and how you are going to target your audience, how you are going to distribute it, what kind of technical skills you have to learn. Everything you have to figure it out before starting a YouTube channel. Otherwise you will be just stuck into a place where you will feel like, yes, I'm producing, but no one is watching, because YouTube is a search engine. If you will not make some kind of strategies, your videos will just sink in a like hole, and you will not even see where the results are going. So if you really want to rank on YouTube, and if you want your channel to be viewed by unknown people, subscribed by unknown people, make some kind of strategies, and this is what exactly I teach inside the mentorship classes. So if you want to take the mentorship classes, make sure to check out the link in the description box or in the first comment of this video as well. Inside the course, you will learn an exact strategy that I follow on my YouTube channel to grow it. It doesn't have to be the same kind of niche that I am following. If you are thinking about something else also on YouTube, like craft, cooking or dancing or anything, like any topic, give me any topic, I can give you strategies on that particular topic as well. So if you want to learn the exact strategies, how to find niche, how to find the topics, the categories in particular niche, what kind of videos, title, what kind of branding you will need in particular niche or your business, I will tell you exactly how to do this in this mentorship class. And this mentorship program is not for everyone. It is only for people, those who are really taking YouTube serious and want to make a career out of it, because there is, yes, good amount of money you can earn from YouTube. And if you want to know how much YouTubers can make, like in last 3 months I have generated almost $1,000, and I have generated this amount in this uncertain time when people are really finding it hard to get ranked and get paid. Yes, there is a good amount of money that you can like earn from YouTube by making videos. Now making videos is just not making videos, it is a lot of process, it is a good amount of work. But if you are ready to do this work, if you are ready to get challenged, if you want to do self-branding, or if you want to brand your business, you can do this as well. As I said, this video is only for people who are really serious about this platform. So I want you to sit down with coffee, pen and paper, or any favorite beverage of yours. I want you to write down on paper like what kind of channel you're going to be opening, what is going to be the name, and what are your niche, what kind of categories you are going to decide, like on what categories you are going to produce video. Also write down at least 35 to 50 video ideas that you will be producing in the beginning. And if you do this, that means you're really serious about this platform. And when you're done doing this exercise, I really want you to sign up as soon as possible for the mentorship program, because thinking about it not going to take you anywhere else but the actions. So as soon as you're done doing this exercise, make sure to click on the link in the description box and book your slot for the mentorship classes. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video and found it useful, and if yes, make sure to give this video a like. Also write down in the comment section which video you want to see next. I'm also gaining a good amount of followers on Instagram, even though my Instagram is not a big platform, but still is growing every single week. Like I almost get 100 to 150 followers, new followers on Instagram. So if you want to learn about Instagram, I can make video on that. And if you are new, again, I am Pragya. I make videos related to self-growth, healthy living and parenting. And if you're interested in these kind of videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. And I will see you guys inside the course or in the next video.